Hello guys, welcome back. Ngasigi video study mayamna aingonda dum skincare gi matang da hajik yam hange eba ko comments adum skincare gi matang da kamai taw wa yam hangbire e adugi aigi updated night skincare routine oin uchar ke sigi video sidana mayam su loina khangi done Korean skincare is the best aduga Korean gi skincare gi formulation da semba pochai sing haibidi skincare products are the best for our skin. These are the products from Pilgrim and they are part of my daily night skincare routine. Ado mayam da ngasigi haidi skincare routine gi steps oina taktrikanda haidi ulaktrikanda mayam da Pilgrim gi matang tang hajaram ge. Pilgrim aims to unearth beauty secrets from all over the world for your healthy skin and hair. It is a cruelty-free, sulfate and paraben-free, 100% vegan and a plastic-positive skincare brand. Recently, they have been certified by PETA as an animal test-free and vegan brand. Pilgrim gi se range ani khaido ga lebane ado ina seasonary sina Secrets of Jeju Island, which are Korean beauty formulation from the pristine land of Jeju, also known as the Island of Gods. Hado hazik ay mayam da step by step to ucharak pa haurage aduga mayam khangbiga daba mana Pilgrim gi aina season na doriba pot sing se suitable for all skin types and for both men and women. So my very first step is this face wash. This is the Volcanic Lava S face wash with Yugdugu and White Lotus. It is a powerful yet effective and gentle cleanser that refreshes our face and it retains the moisture and pH level of our skin. Volcanic Lava S is one of nature's most powerful purifiers. It penetrates deep into the skin and gently pulls out dust, grime, and excess sebum like a magnet, cleansing the pores. Like other cleansers, this face wash doesn't give a dry texture to my skin after the uses, and that's one of the best qualities of it. I hojik mak mai tabaloy kre, and now the second step is this Pilgrim White Lotus Natural Face Mist and Toner with Camellia and Witch Hazel. Sizu all skin types skin both men and women. This purifies, tightens the pore, hydrates and moisturizes the skin. It contains natural exfoliants to restore the skin's youthful look and also has skin brightening and firming properties. It also controls sebum production, thereby preventing clogged pores and acne. Shrinks pores, soothes skin's irritation, and prevent blemishes. I use this many times a day to refresh and hydrate my skin. Now my third step is to apply this Pilgrim Retinol Under Eye Cream with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This is also for all skin types. This comes with a small wooden spatula. It prevents and reverses the effects of aging like fine lines and wrinkle stress, puffiness, under eye bags, dark circles, and droopy eyelids that can make us look aged and tired. It also promotes synthesis of collagen and over time thickens the skin surrounding the eyes, thereby erasing and preventing fine lines. White Lotus brightens and soothes the under eye area. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and flavonoids, it is a superfood of skin that nourishes as you sleep. Now finally, the last step is to apply this Pilgrim Retinol Night Cream with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. This is also for all skin types, both men and women. This also comes with a small wooden spatula. It transforms dull, dry, and lackluster skin into the flawless complexion you always wished for. It accelerates the skin renewal process and enhances collagen production. To eliminate fine lines and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, also face age spots, smooths uneven texture, and minimizes the look of pores. The soft, bouncy texture of this cream vanishes into the skin without being heavy or greasy and leaves the skin feeling even, radiant, and baby soft. Adone sida loire sida all the steps are done sida sine agi night skincare routine haibu. Ado mayam Pilgrim gi products sing say yam nungai. It works wonder on my skin and I love this product, so I recommend you guys to try this. Adom somsong gi skincare types ki matung ina dum mogi range makhan lay dum choose to waya gani chana ga dabado mayam na order ta matam da 15% off hang nabai da magta sigi YT Pretty 15 high ba ko seasonaraga 15% off hangbiyo on all Pilgrim products. So guys, why don't you check my description box and click on the link given to purchase these beautiful products and achieve the beautiful glowing skin. Ado som gisu family members friends leiramgani skin care gi aphaba season aningba aduna moi dasu share tawbiyo sigi Pilgrim gi product sing se asi agi video yengbi ma marakta Pilgrim gi product season ba yawi ba targadi comment adum comment tawbiramo aduni ngasi video sai do loisalage. So yeah, bye bye, take care of yourself and see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.